Hey, this week I want to talk to you all about running a box call, different sounds that can be made on them, and kind of how to run them on box calls that I make, Wilper custom calls. You can look it up on Facebook and get my phone number, call me and I can make them, but we'll get into it real quick and keep this video under 3 minutes. Here's a 12-inch long box. I've named them Bad Medicine. I just made these today. They're for some customers. Headed out in the mail on Monday, so I'm just going to run them real quick. You want to be light-handed when you play a call. All calls are ready to talk. Just pushing it like that. You don't want to use your thumb. You don't want to be heavy-handed. Man, now we've got another one, 12-inch long box. This is Paddock in Spanish cedar. It'll be a little higher pitch on the front end. But you can see how I'm just pinching the paddle, holding the call lightly. Let the paddle do the work. They're wanting to talk. Just let them talk. Here's a pocket rocket. Same thing, they're short strokes. You don't ever want it, that's not a yelp. They're short strokes. You can see how short them are. This is a plain yelp. This is yelp and cutting. Here's a key run. Clucking. Play it on the back half. Gobble. And then you bring it all together. And also purr on them. Hey, we'll see you next week.